our SQL Maths YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss very important, interesting topic, probability. In that, a problem has been asked in IIT JEE 1995, the year. So it's very important. It plays crucial role not only in IIT JEE and also in our MSET examination and other competitive examinations. So let us go through our question now. So 3 of the 6 vertices of a regular hexagon are chosen at random. The probability that the triangle with the 3 vertices is equal triangle, we have to determine its probability. So here our figure is a regular hexagon. So before going to start this problem, you should be able to know about the basic concepts of geometry. Hexagon. First of all, what is my hexagon? A polygon with 6 sides is said to be hexagon. But it is given regular hexagon. Regular in the sense here equal. The sides are equal and each angle is same. So here regular hexagon in the sense a polygon in which all the sides are equal and each angle is same is said to be the regular hexagon. And you know very well that the equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and each angle of the triangle is 60 degrees. Okay. So now we have to determine in this diagram. So this is the diagram for the given problem. So A, B, C, D, E, F is the hexagon. Strictly it is regular hexagon. That's why all the sides are equal. Okay. So hence it has 6 vertices. Okay, for the regular hexagon. So number of triangles formed with the 6 vertices for the hexagon we have to determine. So here let us start our solution now. Okay, so given A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. Okay, so number of triangles formed with the vertices of the hexagon is nothing but it is given by 6C3. Okay, 6 stands for the number of vertices of the hexagon and 3 stands for the number of vertices of the triangle. Okay, so here it is given by 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Since we have NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, so now 63 value is nothing but here 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. No need to write again 3 into 2. By here it is 3 factorial into this is nothing but 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 6 get cancelled here. So 3 factorial and 3 factorial. So 5 into 4 is 20. So therefore now 6C3 value is 20. So what does it indicates? It indicates nothing but number of triangles formed with the vertices of the hexagon. 20 triangles are formed. But what is our question? The probability that the triangle with the 3 vertices is equal triangle we have to choose. We have to find out the desired probability. So if you consider the diagram, the thick lines here, thick 3 lines, nothing but ACE is a equilateral triangle you will get, and the dotted lines one more triangle, BDF is one more equilateral triangle you will get. So this is a basic point what you have studied previously. So in a regular hexagon, only 2 equilateral triangles we can form. So the desired probability nothing but let E be the event of getting 2 equilateral triangles, nothing but therefore P of A is equal to, so whatever triangles here, triangle is ACE and triangle BDF are our 2 equilateral triangles. So that's why 2 will act as numerator and this 20 will act as a denominator according to the definition of the probability. So this implies P of E is nothing but now it is 1 by 10. So 3 of the 6 vertices of a regular hexagon are chosen at random, then the probability that the triangle with the 3 vertices equal triangle is nothing but 1 by 10. So before going through it, once again we'll go through our solution. So 63 nothing but here it is 20. So 20 triangles can be formed with the 6 vertices, nothing but with the hexagon. And here only 2 equilateral triangles out of 20 triangles, in the 2 equilateral triangles can be formed with the vertices of the hexagon. So therefore desired probability is P of E is equal to 2 by 10. After simplifying, we are going to get P of E is equal to 1 by 10. So according to our MCQ, it is nothing but the D option. So with the basic knowledge of plane geometry and the basic definition of here probability of an event, we can easily proceed over this problem. So this is the problem probability which is related to our IIT JEE 1995. So in this way we can overcome the problem. It is very important and very easy also. So after watching this video, please friends subscribe my channel, share, like and comment. You can comment in the dialog box. Thank you.